Hey everybody, my name is Charlene and welcome back to my channel, Getting Creative. So today is a very fun day. I decided for my second project that I'm actually going to do a paint by number. So I ordered myself a little art piece from Take-A-Lot, which arrived. And yes, I was naughty. I opened it up before I went to see, but now I can show you guys. So I'm gonna take it out and then I'm gonna show you what I got. The Joker! I'm really looking forward to this art piece, so please stay tuned and let's get creative. I was actually quite surprised by the quality of this canvas, especially for the price that I paid for it. But looking more intently at this canvas, I was actually overwhelmed by the fine details. Yes, this is going to be interesting. The video playback is 1.7 times the normal speed, and as we go along it will be increased to 100 times the normal speed, but that will be right towards the end. I decided to start with a darker color first, just to get an outline of the picture, and I'm actually really glad that I did that, because it turned out very well towards the end. I started this project in November 2022 and I put in about 2 to 3 hours a day, although I didn't paint every single day, and I completed it now in February 2023. So roughly 3 months, although I do think I would have completed it sooner if I actually put in more time. But this is just to give you a rough idea of how long a project like this would take. At this stage, the picture really started revealing itself to me, so it wasn't so overwhelming anymore. And at this point I actually got quite excited because I started seeing the hairline and part of the waistcoat, and yes, this is going to be a very cool picture. like I said, I started with a darker color first, and I was super excited when I started with this red around the mouth. Man, it just looks so awesome, and I can't wait to see how this picture is gonna look at the end. This part of the project, it felt like every stroke of the brush just enhanced the picture even more. So as far as I'm going, I'm getting so excited because at the end the greens are gonna come. Looking forward to that. Interesting thing that I noticed is that the darker colors were actually a thicker consistency, so I diluted it with water just to get better coverage. Right about here, the video playback is roughly about 100 times the normal speed, and as you can see, the details are coming through quite nicely. So man, the Joker just has attitude. I like this so much. So, we have 3 colors left, and they are the greens. Get ready to get your mind blown. Let's make this picture pop, shall we? And look at that! I told ya! Man, this is just pure awesomeness, and I absolutely love it. And the nice thing about this is anybody can do this if you just follow the directions on the page. That's how easy it is. And I strongly urge you to do that. It's a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe and let me know what you think. Cool. See you in the next one.